How you going, guys? This short video is aimed at those of you who use stats analysis software, either in a black belt project, green belt project, Six Sigma, or any purpose. What software do you guys use? What do you find useful and capable? I've been using Minitab for the last 10 years, but I'm increasingly concerned about the cost of such software, and I can't justify it. So I'm looking for a replacement, particularly to teach online classes where students have to have an online package they can upload and use, and we can all use the same software. So Minitab's great. It does everything I wanted. I've been using it successfully for the last 10 years, but I'm recently looking for a replacement, and I started looking at open source free software. The one I've found so far that seems to meet all the requirements is JASP, and that's, I believe, a port of SPSS from IBM. It's administered or managed from the University of Amsterdam, so it's got a good pedigree. And it certainly seems to meet all of my needs. It's done everything that I can do in Minitab, right up to things like MSA and DOE. It's very capable. It's perhaps a little more difficult to use in that you need to prepare the data in the right way, do some data manipulation in Excel first, but it does everything I need. So I'm interested in your suggestions, your observations. Do you know JASP? Do you have an alternative package that you would recommend? Comments, please, and suggestions. I'd like to hear from you. Thanks a lot.